boys, so the package is secure. Now we're gonna head to my boy's fabrication garage, and I'll catch back up when we're there. All right, boys, so I'll be working on the V today. So yeah, I think it's fully stocked, right? It's full stock, bone stock. So yeah, hopefully maybe we get a run after. I don't know.
Bone stock, we can.
Maybe. But yeah.
Little roll.
So it was real quiet. You could barely hear the turbos. But what are you gonna be doing to it, right?
What's up?
What are you gonna do to it?
Just an axle back, really. Muffler deleting. We're doing we're adding some resonators. Some of the ones that Mr. Hector over there recommended. Yeah, so we're just doing an axle back.
Alright, so for the first simple thing, just go ahead and just pull this off. It makes a pretty big difference to just the cover and without it. Good thing it comes with the cover because it is a little ugly. Alright, so he's starting on the exhaust down here. I'm gonna go ahead and just get started. I just pulled a little safety clip off the fuel rail. Gonna get this off, and then we'll pull the fuse box off. I almost forgot, I gotta take out the battery. Fuse covers are off, got the battery disconnected. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting these 4 bolts. I can get this space off and then get the computer under it. Got all these bolts put off. Now you gotta take them all off. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just pull the fuse box up. I'll record it right now. Pull this out. Here. So I have 2 little locks, one right here, one right here. Both sides has. Pull it up a little bit, it's unlocked. And this side I need a flathead. Got the exhaust off. Big ass muffler. Golly. Weight reduction and bit of performance. That's pretty sick. Alright, so I helped him out with the exhaust real quick to get it out. But back, so right now I'm just gonna pull this like this. So boom. Take off this bolt now, and then the PCM's right here. So then I get this out the way. PCM's right here, then I'll get to the connectors, and then it's a ZZP Performance E85 Sensor. It has a nice harness, adapter, and a little bracket to hold the sensor when it's mounted. But yeah, I'm going pretty good. Taking my time. I had to unclip these little locks all these connectors have. So you just unclip them, move them out the way, get the little bracket. So now we're at the PCM. You know, that's the connectors I need to get to, and we're making good progress, little by little. Alright, so I got the connector. Took this little cap right here. Now I pick this out. It's like it goes right here. You like kind of put it in there and pick it up, and it comes out. You don't have to put no power pressure on it. It slides right out, honestly. So that's out now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and find the pin. Alright, so I had to find pin 38. So this is this edge right here is 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. And it says to use a paper clip, but I'm using a welding rod to get to it. So this is the only one you have to push out like a little plastic connector that it has. So now it's ready to get the E85 wire in. So a pink one goes right there.
Jerry doesn't know what he's doing.
Jerry doesn't know what he's doing.
Neither do I.
But that's the best part.
Don't get it done.
Yeah, Charlie Garage can't weld. Don't come down.
What are we doing today?
Yeah.
Haha. Alright, so I gotta pop this off. So you pop this little clip off, you slide it this way, and it comes right off. So now, this little yellow piece, you pull this out too.
Pull out game strong.
And then you pull out, and then you just pin this to pin 32, I think it is. Let me confirm.
Yeah, confirm that.
Confirm that real quick. Locate pin 32, slide the orange pin wire through the plug until you hear click in place. So yeah, 32 right there. Get that in there, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything back together. Then I'll start recording again when I get to the fuel line back there, when I'm mounting the sensor into the fuel line. Alright, so this line is gonna go to the stock fuel rail. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this. Can't see it, but yeah, there's no good view, but you can feel it by feel, and you just push it into it. Locks in place, clips on like that, and that you're set. So then that little flexible line is going to be going like towards the transmission area. It's going to come back up. So it'll finish up like this. You got to take off this bolt, and this little bracket bolts on straight to there. You bring your stock feed line around the little harness it has right here, so it has enough room to come this way. So this, you take off this bolt, you mount this right here, and just plug in the sensors, and the ground goes to this bolt. And once you do that, you're done. And that simple. Pretty damn simple, honestly. Alright, so I got the bracket mounted. As you can see, I got the line that came with the kit is connected to the fuel rail and to the sensor now. And this is the stock feed. So now I'm just gonna put the bolts through the sensor to the bracket, tighten them up, connect this line, connect the stock feed to the sensor, and should be done. Alright guys, this is the last hose. This is the stock feed going to the sensor. So boom, that simple. Boom, and we're done. That's it. A little longer than expected, so I still got to put the cover on, but 85 sensors install is done. Nice brackets, a little pain to get to these bolts, and to use like a hex head, whatever, screw. That bolt is a little pain, but it looks good. It's a nice kit. I recommend it. That's a full install on this ATS. I don't know what year it is. Wait. Is it it's a 16? Oh yeah. The power's on. The ACM pinned. The fuse box is pinned. This is bolted on. Bracket's nice. This is in. All I have to do is get this bolt. This is for the cover, and take off the oil cap. Bolt that off. And that's it. So yeah, it's pretty. It's a good kit. I recommend that kit, and I have nothing bad to say about the kit. Other than it's a little tricky for that low bracket, but that's fine. It looks good. So yeah, now we're gonna finish this up, get this all done out the way. Alright, so now I'm officially done. Mounted, plugged in. I zip tied the power wires to the stock wires. Template engine covers on. So yeah, appreciate him letting me give me the chance to work on this car. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't trust a dummy on anything like something like this. So I appreciate him letting me actually like work on the car. And so yeah, we're done now. We're just gonna wait for the exhaust to be done, and we'll get a sound clip of it, how it sounds after.
I think the installation went for you. Hard, easy.
Pretty good. It was just like hard to fit, like with your hands, or whatever.
Yeah,
But But the kit, it's a good kit.
Yep.
So yeah, I recommend the kit. You did a good job. Goodbye. ZZP Performance.
We had to stick it for extra horsepower.
That's the power right there. You get
take out the V, put the ZZP.
ZZP. So yeah.
Zoom.
So yeah, this is done. We got him doing some custom work over here. So I just got done. I just got home. Dog's already outside. I'm gonna finish off the video off here. And actually, we're about to figure out what is my brother's having a baby, so we're gonna figure out what's the gender. So the next clip right now, I'm gonna go ahead and put the gender reveal. Sorry guys, so I appreciate you watching. It's more like of a how-to, more less of like a vlog. But anyway, I just wanted to vlog it for sure. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I appreciate it. Thank you.